Stop by and take a look at the 2018 INFINITI Q70. The luxurious INFINITI Q70 offers plush interior accommodations and a spacious interior cabin. Passengers of the Q70 will feel like they're riding first class all the way. Enhanced agility and safety protection features fill this luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, navigation system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, trip computer, security system, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, CD player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.